deal. And they will make it understand. It may be me ya, I vie be many, I vie me ya many. You already a bear we last month. You when you are gualowa. So you know how me a process. You know is it gualowa mammy. Then you know very a benny kia. We la dressa. You know how me we go room a vama me kitchen. Mame bedroom, then a room a vana ro, then we vena have your bad, then my mama have your bad, then yeah, Hannah have your bad. Then I called my lawyer. That was on Monday morning. I called my lawyer and I told my lawyer, I said, please, my lawyer, please, I'm tired of this city. I want change city. Because I suspect this woman, the way they come my house, the way they call me every time on phone. Then I just explained to my lawyer, I said, I want to transfer me, please, may he help me. Me and my lawyer just they talk finish for phone. Bah. Now so the lady just call me. He said, please, he said, princess, he said, we have, I want to take your son to another school. Then he want to change school. I said, why? Why do you want to change my son from school? He said, because the school where they go now, it don't big past the stage of that school. I said, no, please, madam, don't do that to me. I don't want change school for my son yet. I want to transfer come for this city. I want go other city. He said, really? He said, if I want transfer go another city, he said, may I go for La Drassa. That was the place where they give us document, where they freeze the plastic. He said, may I go tell those people? He said, they go help me look for a house for another city. Now I said, okay, oh, thank you. Now we take hand call. That was on Monday. On Monday, oh, I don't fit talk to my lawyer, then he call me. Be like the person wey hide from window. Then before this thing they happen, so my luggage when this I have a lot of luggage. I have it many clothes because I pack it for throw away for my compound for frontage of my house. As I dey talk, so the low self see dey there until now. When I throw away many clothes, when I get too much, then I can't throw away some. They say they not go help me throw away until I pay the money. Then I pay the money for that one. That one they get. Then whether they suspect say I want comot oh, now they can't take my pikin oh, and I see tell the woman say I want comot for the city, change that city to other city. Then the next day now more than I me and the woman thought then the next day that Monday Tuesday now my pikin go school so now that day he tell me say my pikin talk say I beat am. You see wetin dey happen oh the word oh. You see wetin dey happen. Somebody call me for Monday. Then he want say he want change my son for another school. Then and I tell her no, I no want. I want comot for this city, please. I want change city. Then he say okay, no problem. He don hear, he go rest. We read our topic like that. The next day, then my pikin go school. Then he come call me now for phone say the pikin talk say I beat am. The pikin talk say I beat am. The pikin talk say I. Okay. Why I no go move? I do bad. I no listen to me. I no do bad. I no do anything. And I no suspect say he wan do all this thing. Then why I no tell am say at first say wetin I know say they assist me. I dey feel say if I still tell am say okay, I wan do my transfer comot for there. I wan comot go other city. Then he go still give me good reason and he go talk to me well. Because my man say the time when I dey talk to a lawyer, maybe he park motor for my behalf. He don't hear when I dey talk to lawyer, say me my lawyer help me look for house. I want change city. Eh? You don't know, but maybe they go know based on the letter, some letter when they send, you know say yeah. No, maybe yeah, when I dey talk with my lawyer, when I tell my lawyer say me I want change house, may try. Then after me and my lawyer talk finish, the lady call me. He say now there he call the tell me say my pikin he want help me change his school. Now then me tell am say no worry for that one because I want try may I move comot for this city. Then when we reach another city, then I go put my pikin for another school. Now he say okay really say he see good as I say like that. Say he could they show me where I go. When I go tell those people, then those people go help me look for another house for another city. Now so we take head the top people. Then the next day, my pikin bath they go school. they go where na room wey they carry they go. Now he see organize the man wey they can't take am for us. Now the woman now he organize these boys too. Now this boy they can't carry my son for us every morning. Now this woman organizer. So the boy can carry my pikin comot o. Then later around that kind 2 o'clock, I be 12. I no come no 2 o'clock. Now something like that. Now he take call me. Say my pikin o. He carry am go hospital. I say why? He say because the pikin complain say I beat am. Say what are you saying? The pikin will be say they okay. If I beat her, I go let her follow you go anywhere. Or if you get injury, then I go allow you to go school or go anywhere. Then I say, now my own they talk. So now I say, okay, no problem. I use my brain. Then I end up the call. I just call my son straight. Then that time they never collect the phone for my son hand. Then I ask my son say, hey Prince, how are you? Say fine. I say, where are you? He said these people hold on, then they force him to eat many things. So they buy many things for Ramo. They say me he eat oh. He said that they give her Mercy, that they tell her say may drink some Mercy. And I said no, they won't collect you like this, because see what the woman don't talk, say you talk, say I beat you. The pikin said no, he not tell them like that. He said which time he tell them like, he said that is why they buy many things for our since. He said that they just they carry you up and that they tell you say your mama poor, he cannot take care of you. We will take care of you, we will give you internet house, we will do you many things. Say he said that they deceive her with many things. I said, not mind them, oh, now like he won't collect you for my hand, no. That is our lost stop. Before I talk that one reach 2 times, they don't collect the phone for your hand. When I try the number again, the number not they go. Now there I can't run, I can't they call people when I go call. Those one I can't they advise me say only waiting they will help me do. Now I need to go for my lawyer. Then I go where my lawyer just day. That morning time, the next day. As I reach where my lawyer day. Now then I come dey explain my lawyer. And I said, lawyer, I just call you finish. Now this thing they happen. Lawyer say you know wetin dey happen. He say you know many. That one say now I tell her say the last call when me and my pikin talk, everything dey my phone. Now lawyer tell me say may I hold on. No be now we go talk about that one. And for court we go do all those ones. Now man. So the lawyer that yesterday so he don write there already. So today now I call the lawyer. Say wetin be the matter now? I will take the discuss and wetin go happen next. Now the lawyer said the way these people take the sand, he need to they are preparing to take that song for me. He said wetin I need to do now, I need to send some kind thing for her, some kind paper for her. I photocopy it, then I send it tomorrow. Then when I send it, then he go make the arrangement of court. No, na my paper, as the paper when I take the receive payment. Now he has me. So no, this lawyer has been working for me even before I have document, everything. Now he fight. Now the lawyer fight for my children documents. Yeah. Now the lawyer when they give me, now me they first give document, they not give my children. They give me document, they don't give my children. Then I take this lawyer for my children. So this lawyer now he fight my children document come out. So this is my lawyer, not be now I take the lawyer. And me and this lawyer just talk finish on phone and I tell her say may he help me. I don't know as I will take see house. Then this woman now call me. He tell me say he want take my son to go to another school. And I say no. And they plan to change her apartment. So the next day now my pikin go school, now the woman sees her from school. Because they suspect say I want come out, you don't want my come out for the city, then he sees my pikin. You people should help me, oh. You people should help me, oh. The lawyer self know the truth, oh. The lawyer know the truth. Waiting the paper need. The lawyer not take money from me. I go there, I ask her, say, please, may I give you any money? The lawyer say no. He say you don't need any money, oh. He say waiting you need from me. Now may I go send paper when they say they pay me for the country. May I send her for her. Now I send her my details of my bank. Now only waiting my lawyer ask for me be that. He don't ask me no money, oh. That is why I say me you now help me, oh. No, now still help me in any way, now go help me. Yeah. Stay. So far. If they want take the document, now may they take home, may they give me my pikin. May they give me my pikin. They say may they want their document. May they try follow my pikin pass that document. Oh, I follow my pikin pass document. Oh. Make dem come take the pikin document dey here now. E dey with me here now, but e no dey here. The person, the owner of the document is not with me. Make dem come take make dem give me my pikin back. If they say make I go back to my country, it's the best oh. Then I see my pikin go give my mama. I see my pikin go give my papa. Dem go see my pikin. That is why I cry for una, because I know say una dey see me the way I love my children, the way I dey post their picture. Well, I know say una must fight for me, because una know the way I take dey pamper the children. Una know the way I take dey close them, dey post their picture for Facebook. I know say that is why I'm doing this video. And I know say many people will say no, this woman is not that kind of woman. Una know the way I love my children. That is why I'm doing this video, so that you people, the world will say, because na the world go know the way your character be. Please, you people should help me in any way. Oh. May they come take their document. I need my son back home. I need my son back. If they want to take me to my country, I will go with my pikin. It's the best. May they come take their document. Oh. Yeah. The boy say he not tell them anything like that. Or when you matter me the only yana me a phone now. Only guitar the only way you matter me and me rock but we not get me a phone and make a go and be right. Because yeah we have even now need not have a phone and record and I even record there with time. Yeah man I really release it because even yani ala down with phone. A lawyer made the date in my boy Yagun the last topic I'm with me aladia and they prove in the ni ari eladia. Ni ari eladia because I got my treat or more a prove you must arrow. Improve must waro ni ari ela dia o ni edo gbe me kweku wala wo yi mi abera me vi je me anything wa really believe wa ya gbe na me ibi Nigeria ni mo boro iye ikpikpe ya ihe mo bo me mo no bu we ni we mo na ya o ni pa ya o ni ale ma lefu ne eboro kparo kpagire ne ke city ni megiye bo ya pa ne ebo ya wa le be ne city ebo ya wa le iye wa mi ya mo be ne city. This one on a joke ye meso yin agie e meso yin committee one kind on a joke o ma no biene o ma no gi biene o ma no gi like we bone or even if pass through on a joke matter my brother on a joke matter. This one no be joke at all. On a joke even meso a committee yin agie o ma no gi na asi wo ijo mo here apiro mo hi. This is not laughing matter. Ona e na gieji my dear my sister. Ona e helping wo keke no rie me ona e advice no hiare me. Thank you. Uga mo eve na yo we ma ogie. La wo egie mana la e mo mata na. O sege no mo na ya nwuri amemene ni wo. O sege no yare eva emene isu se yo ne. O me sege no yare eva enu wene u me gi odo de mi gwe. Eyo na ilaya ona vege no na aro momo malaya o ege no na retiri bosi o na re wan ye mi mu ela bo na malaya o okay big boy neni ah no hia do gba o give no hia do ri me you sere ya na gi mi e na o evidence ro paro ni je ba ni no de ke na mami mi ro patare o mami mi ro patare o na ri ni no mo. Oh. We say, brother, we say, thank you for your encouragement. Salobo, Ebelu, okay, call Irena, abi. Ebelu, okay. God will bless you. Thank you very much for your call. And those of you that have already called today, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. Keno gear, keno no begume, no maybe no ma wa westi. Thank you for you to even type una community, una be gear westi. La wo wala wa lero me. Yeah. imeti eri ne di ade meri eva ye. Emo magwan kana money mu ye ko uki lemos is not easy oh. We even yan le desert like we bo. O ma easy on your balo me. He wait no who suspecting then we all me when now we are na all na season we mona my boy tell where my boy tell me phone where now where you only ni fie a city where here ona way ona okay ona we age keni we ya only fie city where here keni agari ona ge mame the next day we make a school na daje now a lawyer made they aware of this thing oh me ya fe akakani ba akakani go no mekena miere go be gome no mi o iri oja we ni ara ni wuyo oja ba ni yegi na wetin me he ba na ona you do be meji because you have many we are face city we ri egbe wo mi na be mana no hia me make na fi o mana gbo o egu me make up o egu me weto na do we go mo ya weto ni egbi a o yo me gbe re eh last night. Yes. Oh, we are the hune no more. Oh, we are the hune. Eh, me na no eno the way. We maka ha me wu ari hune no more. We yes, so we eta mame. O ma me see. Ena wo bege and a lawyer may carry her my matter nane. A lawyer na wo iri hu no when ya mo Maria. O we azu o money diana. A lawyer make idea aware of this thing. I also know when I'm women now. Me ma ye me omo gugu ani a omo yere mana ni me agugu. E phone obo omo ye jo ani me agugu ani a. Dege ni mi ya go omoro omo aga vie ni aveke no genia o ni emi viji o mam iya magi mu ere ni a no bagi jo no bagi jo egbe wo me ya pa ye life ire brother we say ya pa ye life ire mama you no ha even is get tired be the voyage na even is get viela dia dia mi no we jo but imana viela dia ba ne we get be calling ugebe no sunwe na me ze get viela de we are begging we are university me na iwe mani me mi ave university me mani ya we ko na ba wari omo na edi mata mi me sin wa ko na upolo me no mo na ya mo se ojo ina ya we ne gbomo ifu e ma gbi me gbi se fi we agbe so o ne no mo aga ku ya we gbo wi ohana iwe a gbomo me we bo e ma ni o ga ha mi me si wa we no gbomo me o we ne gbi bieka o ko ni ba wa wona aviewa very much for your calling. Yeah. God will never forsake me. Maybe ya fe no rira gbo na ni salobo aji o he o. Abo he ya fe no rire do ni. Mama ji o ba no do. La wo. Ege o mi na wi. O mi no dio na hina mo pe ani sofa koko na hina. Ege o mi na wi o. Ive mo se olaya o ne mo ni sofa koko. Iye wi mi mo se gbe ora diyan. Iye wi mi mo se gbe oje yan na. Wala wo wala o. Joy, come and look favor. Wala wo wala o. Imame mi pa ni wi na viela diana. Imame mi dan la lai imame mi pa ni wi. Imame mi pa ni wi ya we mo ni vi o fe mo se gbe oje yan. Ya vi ya ke oje yan. Ya yo boka ya de ya mi mi me. Ya la dia anywhere no yo ye na mi we mo ne bi obi yan he. Ya na he na re no ko no ro. Ya mi o ye na mi we bo bi na. Ibi me mose iye wi we mose but wa ma go me dole gbe me yin na wi go mo lo iyan lo eyo egbe wala wo wala wa mo dayo me ye ke be de va ke ka eje na ni ama eje cut ye mata na ni ama we ni ti lawyer no man o ya e imebe lero salobo ni ya be ya bribe ni ya be ya mu me ya wala wo wala lawyer me ma o ma salobo because no de ke kan se va ni o wa be gbegin ya be no de ni and o ma mi me go o ma mi me won era o o ma mi me won era iyan ri ebe me o yan me gbin ebi bi me ladian ọmọ salobu wala o nori TV we gbe ni lawyer ni lawyer fight me ọba na re do wa ba ze o so ọmọ babe imami water ogben je ohono ama opoli eke wala gogo no ma be bia be mi ọmọ bi wala wa wi jo be me wa leru me wa ge ọmọ na wi me o wa ge mi ro pa o me wa gi an do gbo gi an me wa ni anything you already planning me na so me gbe ya iro wa na o eje na ni iro wa yo me na do we video call na ni ya make na o ya ga gun ni ya we ni ari mi yo me ba ni ya ari ba ni ge wu ko ise ba ya yo wa ni ya ri wa ni ga ri ba hi ga wa me hi ga hwe ama mi ni ya ri ya me wala o ere ne no mo ya deport ya ari e wo me o oritale but on ama yeje na ni on ya yetana ati ya bere wi mo pa ke kan fi ni mo hian eri ya mo ere ne no mo ya mo ere era ari itale iwa ha ma ya na fi era ari itale no make na ni mo pa make na so fa ni make na mi e mo yeah oh my brother always say wa wo go gbe call me ni make na gba o e money ke ni we ri ba ni yan we see ra me ni pa ye live video we jena wa we see thank you ni maka make the statement is about say na wo gbe we where he come here where he call the woman now we are fake with you na mi mo na because my gwan red the next o even use ko na I come we even with me o makata ma me keda ade o ma boy my gwan we ya change over ya change city o makari o me keda ade o digi ha me we ya change city o na ye gbe kan na then e dey gbe o na iri mo oni weni do ha me mani ya make na bye bye